Alright, so today everyone is very happy, and as we can see here, the main indices have just renewed their historic highs, and many stocks are showing important signs of both bullish continuation and bullish reversal. So let's analyze the situation from a technical point of view and see what to expect next in this market. But first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader. It is a pleasure to see you guys over here, and I invite you to join the 5% project if you wanna boost our performance in the market and learn to trade calmly and without any stress, following our trading methodology that has already shown consistent results for our members. So just take a look at our website and see if you like it. The QR code's right here. The link is in the fixed comment below. You have 7 days for free just to test our service, so you have nothing to lose. Now, as we can see here, SPY is making a very strong bullish candlestick pattern today. We are making a new record high. Now, maybe you are one of our students and you are wondering, but Nathan, seeing such bullish candlestick pattern far from our support levels after the bullish movement was already materialized, could that be an exhaustion bar? Yes, it could. Suggesting that we could correct from here. Yes, it could be an exhaustion bar. What's the problem? The problem is that this exhaustion bar wasn't triggered yet. In order for the market, in order for SPY to trigger an exhaustion bar over here, we gotta lose today's low in the next couple of days. And even if this top signal materializes, just like here on June 15 last year, just like here, we saw an exhaustion bar. This exhaustion bar was technically triggered, but then we only saw a pullback back to the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart, and it just resumed the previous bullish momentum over here. So this is the problem with any bearish thesis on SPY. The trend is still bullish. We don't see any top signal, but even if we see a top signal, any pullback might be just another buying opportunity, because we're gonna approach many support levels like the 21 EMA, like the $533, like the purple trend line over here, the bottom line of this ascending channel. So any pullback to any of these support levels could be just another buying opportunity, because even though we see a possible top signal, there is not a single bearish reversal chart structure here yet. So the trend is still extremely bullish, short, mid, and long-term speaking. If we see a top signal, great. Probably we're gonna see a pullback over here, but this is it, all right? This is it. Any pullback would be just another buying opportunity. Similarly, QQQ is even more bullish than SPY. It is very far away from the 21 EMA on the daily chart. It is far from the previous support level at $460 over here, the previous top level, which should be a support level for us in case a pullback materializes. But guys, there is not a single top signal here yet. There is not a single bearish reversal chart structure on the 1 hour chart, on the daily chart, on the weekly chart. There is absolutely no bearish reaction right here, right now. Oh, but Nathan, could we see a bearish reaction tomorrow? Well, of course we could see, but guys, real trading is reactive. It is not predictive. We don't know. We can't predict the future. It is precisely by trying to predict what's going to happen next that the market is gonna make you stressed, anxious, and well, you're gonna lose money, all right? I only started making money when I started trying to predict what's going to happen next. Just react to what we see right here, right now. Do we see a top signal? No. So in theory, it is supposed to keep going up until we see a clear top signal getting triggered, all right? Very simple. It is not a rocket science. Bull trend until a crystal clear reversal occurs. Now, this is very interesting because the market is very bullish, all right? It is. But Tesla isn't. Okay, Tesla is not, but here today we see a particularly promising reaction, such bullish reaction above the 21 MA on the daily chart, closing above the 187 could be the start of a new bullish rally, which could be a technical reversal on the weekly chart if we close above the 21 MA over here by the end of the week. By seeing such breakout of this moving average by this 187, which by the way are roughly around the same price area over here, we see a very important bullish signal getting triggered on Tesla, suggesting that it is going to seek its next technical target by closing this gap over here around 206. This is where I see Tesla next if we actually trigger this bullish reversal chart structure on the daily chart. As far as I know, on the daily chart, we are inside a midterm congestion, all right? We see Tesla trading inside this rectangle chart structure over here. So only by breaking this rectangle to the upside, we may see Tesla actually turning bullish again. Today is a very promising signal. What's more, in addition to this, today's candlestick pattern seems to be, so far at least, a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern above the 21 MA. So we see many interesting bullish reversal signals in Tesla, which could lead to another bullish reversal over here, mid and long term speaking. We only gotta see Tesla closing above this 21 MA on the weekly chart to finally confirm this bullish thesis over here. Then 206 is going to be our next technical target. Now, on the other hand, we see Nvidia extremely bullish. We don't see Nvidia making any top signal now. But Nathan, today's candlestick pattern is bearish so far, all right? If Nvidia makes a bearish reaction over here, could that be a top signal? It could. What's the problem? The problem is that we don't see any top signal getting triggered, just like here. This reaction over here, oh Nathan, a bearish reaction, a dark cloud cover candlestick pattern. This is a bearish signal. This indicates further pullback. Well, yes, it does. However, it wasn't triggered. We gotta see a crystal clear top signal getting triggered in order to believe that Nvidia is going to actually correct. Here we saw another top signal, right? Well, this top signal wasn't triggered, so no pullback occurred. So seeing only one bearish candlestick pattern far from our support levels, it is not enough for us to believe that Nvidia is going to materialize a sharper correction ahead, alright? It is simply not. So far, we are still insanely bullish. If you ask me, we gotta lose the $125 in order to materialize a more intense pullback over here, possibly retesting the 21 MA on the daily chart again. As far as we see Nvidia holding its price above its support levels, not triggering any top signal, the trend will remain insanely bullish. Similarly, we see the other Magnificent 7 performing insanely well. Look at this, Microsoft, insanely strong bullish candlestick pattern. Apple, another insanely bullish candlestick pattern. Amazon is reacting very well around its 21 MA on the daily chart. It is a very good bullish signal. Google is making a similar reaction. We see Meta barely corrected over here, and we see it already going up. So our dear stocks over here are performing insanely well. The only one that isn't is Tesla, but today it is giving us a very promising signal. So let's watch this price action very closely in the next few days. And of course, I'll be here to keep you guys updated on Tesla, Meta, Nvidia, Spike, QQ, etc. So join the Finance Hydra channel, subscribe our channel, click the like button to support me, and join the 5% project. You have 7 days for free, so you have absolutely nothing to lose. Join us over there. Thank you very much for your audience. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.